Good morning, guys. Good morning. Um, Welcome to my live. As always, we're gonna trade gold and Nasdaq into the London session. Um, we're gonna trade different strategies. So let's jump into it. Now, like always, I'm gonna execute deals in front of you. So prepare your CTrader, MetaTrader, or whatever platform you're using, and let's jump into it. There's 2 minutes until the London Open. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna mark all the important areas. Let's start with the previous day highs and lows. Previous day low, and here we have previous day high. And after that, we're gonna jump with London high, with Asian highs and London, Asian lows. I'm not gonna lie, tough morning. I can't open my eyes really. So the high is gonna be before 7 o'clock because 7 o'clock we have uh, the Frankfurt session, and they already took this high in Frankfurt. Price is a bit choppy since this morning. Oh, this is yesterday. This is the low of Asia. Something we're gonna try again, like the last time. We're gonna try the orb. You know, I respect this strategy. Uh, let's see where is the price on the view up really fast. Okay, so in this price action, I would say ideally we're gonna look for shorts. We're gonna try the 5 minute orb first. We'll see what entry is gonna give us, if there is any. This is for gold, so we're gonna jump on Nasdaq. Oh, we open with big gap here. So usually when you see gaps like this, they need to be filled. Sooner or later, they're gonna be filled. So let's do the same here. Let's mark those highs and lows. Jump in 5 minutes. this gap here. Crazy. After 12 o'clock, we're gonna mark the lows. Asian low. And before 7, right here, so high. So what we can see here, we are moving above the previous day high, above the Asian high, so we're trending up. It won't be bad to see the orb going even higher. Let's see what is on the view up. We're pretty high on view up. See with gold, RSI is in the middle. Ideally looking for shorts with gold. And with Nasdaq, ideally we're gonna look for shorts as well. You can see the RSI, it's really high. VWAP is in the red area. We're getting out of the bands here. Where is gold sitting? Now it's on the bottom on 15 hour. Strong push with Nasdaq. This is the fourth candle. We're gonna mark them from now, so we can be ready when we see a breakout. This price with gold, so choppy. It's not ideal for the orb. Usually Mondays, they're a little bit slow. Ranging days. So this is the fifth candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we don't like here. Mm-hmm. 8/5 is the last candle. So 4 minutes and some seconds is the fifth candle. So we can count them from 8 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the fifth forming now and closing now. So what we don't like is this range we're into. You see? This range is not ideal. This fair value gap. It's something that can push us down. Can we try long here? Why not? We have this liquidity here. But we want to see this fair value gap, how it's gonna react. Nasdaq. Oh, days. Okay, let's go to C trader. See how this 1 minute reacts there. We close the above. I don't like how high we went on Nasdaq. Okay. If we get retest to this inverted fair value gap, will be our position. Come on, come back. For now we are missing the trade, but how should look like this, like this. 3R, not bad, not bad. I won't be surprised if the price reacts from here and keep pushing higher. There we go. We might see reversal here on Nasdaq. It's way above the view up. So if we had to enter, the entry would be here. See how high is in the view up. We're gonna watch it close. So goat. Might try to go in from this fair value gap. 1 to 2, not bad. Okay. We're gonna wait for better entry. we're not gonna rush it because we miss the first entry, which should be here. Sorry. So we already made 1R here, but we missed the entry. So at this point, we would move it to break even. Unfortunately, we didn't make it. We might get a second try with the 5-minute orb, where we mark the first 3 candles on 5-minute chart. 15-minute orb usually gives you more time to react. The price is retracing now. Big drop. If we see tapping this fair value gap, or inverted fair value gap, I should say, we might do entry like this. For now, we're just watching. Let's move to the 5-minute. So for the 5-minute, we're gonna mark 3 candles. I'm gonna mark 3 candles. This one, this one. This is the third. This candle close after 1 minute. We're gonna do here the same with Nasdaq. This fair value gap is giving good support for now. To the 5 minutes here. 5 minutes on US Tech. Now for US Tech, despite it, how trendy is it? I wouldn't risk to go long because see, let's say close here, your stop loss will be here, 1-to-1, way out of the VWAP, and it's pretty logical to see a pullback. Okay, goat is coming back to our area. And this is 5-minute fair value gap as well. Ideally, we want to see tap of the inverted, and in the same time, no candle close inside of this fair value gap, just a wick, and we can go long. Oop. Okay, we can try this one. I'm in. Stop loss just below those lows from 8 o'clock. TP right here. What price did we get filled? 23.85, 23, 23. 85. Is this correct? 23.85. Stop loss all the way down here. Beautiful. Let's see how this plays out. We like this reaction. Now is the time to push up. Or we're meant to go down. What is Nasdaq doing? This is the retrace we're talking about. Now from here it could still keep going up after this retrace. But now with the 5-minute orb close below, definitely we go short. It's gonna look something like this. Let's say it close down here. Stop loss will be 1, 2, 3. This is the high. It will look something like this. Now we want to see some reaction from gold, or we're cooked. I'm gonna just turn off my mic for a moment and the camera, and we'll be back shortly. I'm back. Come on. Whoa, big volume kicked in. Come on. Let's take a fast look with Nasdaq. Came into range here. Come on. Above the entry again, that's good. Good green candle. Nice rejection. We need just to keep pushing. Come on. Great. Beautiful candle. So basically on the my C trader, I move my TP to 1R. So it looks like this. Come on. Come on. Hit our TP. Come on. Beautiful candles. We need one last push. Come on, one last push. Come on. You can do it, goat. Don't reject that. We were so close to TP. Bands are really tight. Let's see how they look at 5 minutes. Yeah, we have some room. Exactly at our TP. We have some room. Let's see this push we're waiting for. Hmm. That's it. We open some space with the band. Very good. It's rejection, not gonna lie. Okay, we're back in the game. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Fast look at Nasdaq. Deep range here. Back on gold. It's good thing that we're ranging around the high of the bands, because that way we're moving the average price up. And you see how it opens space? Now this is not good. Okay. We're gonna move to break even from here, to be honest. If we get rejection just before our TP, it would be nasty if we take an L just before our TP. So let's play it safe. Again, just let me see how Nasdaq is doing. Okay, keep going. Do you see how we move the bands higher and higher? Beautiful. Come on. Come on, one last push. Oh, this is the push we need now. There we go. TP hit on live session with your boom. There we go. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Nasdaq's in range. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Hopefully you ride this with me. It's 2 hours at the moment, so if you didn't take it out, now I guess it's a good moment to take it out. You can wait for this liquidity sweep, but very often you can see how the price just reverse with gold, how it just reversed before that. So 2 hours, it's a good one as well. Let me see. Trailing stuff. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, guys. I hope you took this with me. Again, ARP strategy. Gave us really good entry. Little recap. What happened? So the ARP closed. We missed this entry. But then, as I said, we're gonna wait for the retest of this inverted fair value gap. The price went in our favor, then went down back to the ARP, retest the ARP, we fly, and we made a second push after the retrace. Beautiful trade, just exactly what we want to see. Thank you to being with me here, and see you next time. Yeah.